Good morning, beautiful people. I've been up since like 6:45 doing my hair. I washed my hair last night because I need to take those braids out. I did my braids for Greece and it was time to take them out. So I decided to do some Senegalese twist this morning. I started at like 7. It took me about like 4-ish hours to get done. And I did them kind of like medium sized and they're pretty long. But we're up going out to Pennsylvania for a couple of days. We're staying out there until Tuesday. But yeah, I just have to I'm gonna start cleaning up, getting things ready. So let me go do all of that. Toes. So Prada sent me 10 of their Prada monochrome lipsticks and I'm just gonna try one of them. I'm not looking for anything bright. I saw someone using it as a blush, so I think I'm gonna try that today. Oh yeah, this is the color Caramel. This I can definitely use on my lips and use it as blush. It's not bad. This is the color. It's a pretty color. So let's just blend that in. Oh yeah, that looks nice. It goes with my undertone really nicely. Okay. It's definitely a nude. It's a nice nude color. I like this. And then we're just gonna put some lip gloss. But this is a very nice match. It's a very nice color. I'll definitely be using these all spring, all summer. I'm obsessed. All right, makeup's done. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit, but let me go change my daughter and then I'm going to dinner. This is a dress that buttons down and I just opened it and used the middle button to kind of cinch the waist. Here is the look and my daughter. Good morning. Daughter woke us up at like 5 a.m. and I'm exhausted. It's like 10 a.m. now and I'm gonna go to the supermarket because I need to get my daughter some pull-ups. The nanny's coming at 1. We're also getting our boat to put it on the lake. So my husband and I are gonna do that. So it's gonna be a busy day. And I just did some emails. Just a regular Monday. just came back from grocery shopping. That was a whole trip. Took longer than I expected, but we got everything that we needed for the next couple of days. And I have about maybe like almost an hour to make some lunch before we have to head out. So I'm gonna make myself my infamous sardine salad. So we're gonna do that together. We are about to go and get the boat. We got salami, crackers, some brie, and some mild cheddar. Freaking sunny right now. Our nanny left maybe like 10 minutes ago. What time is it? It's 5:54. I should get some sunglasses right now. One thing about me, I will always come on my porch, have a coffee, enjoy my lunch. So I have this papaya that I bought from New York and I'm gonna cut it. I think it's a bit overripened, but that just means it'll be sweeter. Also, I've been hearing a lot of people eat the seeds and it serves as like a parasite cleanse, so I'm gonna do that too. So the only reason I got this was because I've heard amazing things about papaya. Honestly, when I tried it as a young kid, I hated it. I did not like it. My mom loves these. My mom's obsessed with it. But I thought maybe when I get older, I'll have a different palate for it. I don't think I still love it. I tried it recently. I don't love it, but I'll still eat it because I know it's good for me. We're gonna try this together. So let's see how I like it.
I have to eat this.
So it's not horrible. It definitely does taste like it tastes like a melon.
I want to have more. I want to have.
I prefer cantaloupes more than this, but
I want more.
it's not bad.
I want more. It's a fruit.
It's a fruit. It's a papaya.
I'm about to get my fork.